Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the updated version and any required DLC. This prevents desyncs. Once done, create or load your character and assign the initial 3 skill points where they matter most. Next, open the inventory and choose a starting book. Equip one as active for abilities and one passive for ongoing bonuses. Make sure to bind ability keys or controller buttons before leaving the menu. It saves you fumbling in early combat. You now focus on core mechanics. Use active book abilities when the resource meter allows, and time them to avoid wasted cooldowns. Once you have 2 or 3 books, rotate them to chain effects. Cast book A, then B, then A again to trigger combo multipliers and amplified bonuses. While progressing through zones, make sure to check enemy resistances and swap passive books to counter them. This dynamic swapping is why books matter more than raw stats. You complete a run by unlocking the archive and converting currency into permanent trait upgrades that persist across attempts. Once you reach endgame, save multiple builds to experiment and enter challenge mode to learn boss patterns without risking progression. If something breaks, client crashes, strange UI behavior, verify game files through the launcher and reset configuration to default. If that fails, load a backup save. Remember, methodical testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.